My name is Clifford Kavinsky. I am a cardiologist at Loyola Medicine. My area of subspecialization is in congenital and acquired structural heart disease. Problems with the heart valves, problems with abnormal holes or communications between the different chambers of the heart. This is the area of my expertise. And we now have amazing treatments that we can provide to patients that for disorders that historically were always treated with big open heart surgical procedures. We can now treat patients with less invasive catheter-based procedures, which are far less invasive. For example, valve disorders. Historically, valve replacements were always done with surgery. Now we have the technology and ability to replace every different kind of heart valve without surgery. Think about that. Replacing a heart valve without surgery. Well, we can do that. We can do that here at Loyola. When patients come to me with these complex medical conditions, there's always a lot of apprehension. I spend a lot of time talking to patients, time which these patients and their families need in order to become comfortable with understanding the disease process as well as the various treatment options. It is my goal as a physician, and one of the reasons I went to medical school, in order to provide personalized care to patients. I make sure that every patient has the time they need in order to address their needs.